Appalachian Trail through hiking prep dice game. To help me practice with my backpacking gear and have fun at the same time, I did something crafty and made some giant dice. So the way this works is I roll the 2 giant dice and then I get to choose between 2 tasks that day, or I can do them both. So I choose to filter 2.75 liters of water and put it into water bottles. The other ones are practice using electronics, and then there's an ABC dice for the skill. You roll that, it says A, so I would practice pump inflating a mattress. Get it? And there's also phone chip storage and headlamp. Pee in style, standing with no pack, standing with backpack on, or kneeling in a cup, that's for nighttime tent. Grocery resupply, I would roll the 3, 4, or 5 day dice to tell me how many days worth of resupply am I doing. And then there's, what else is on this one? I can't do this one yet. I'm not buying my Garmin until January. So this one will be ABC message on a cell phone, sending a message, breadcrumb trail, or weather forecast. And camp outside overnight using as many skills as possible. Is that all of them? I feel like more and more sides keep coming up. And this dice has Practice the Far Out app. So the way this one works is first you roll the mileage dice, which is a 20-sider. And that says 18 and a 2. So at mile 182, and then I get the ABC dice. C, plan to the next post office. So I go to Far Out app, find mile 182, and plan my hike to the next post office. B is plan to the next town with an overnight stay, and that could be a hostel or a hotel or doing laundry, whatever things are required for going into town. Or it could just be one day of hiking. There's also dig a cat hole, poop in the woods, cook a backpacking meal on a stove, hang bear bag. Is that all of them? Set up and break down the tent. And backpacker's choice, hike your own hike. So I can do any skill I want. So I'll roll both dice every day and then choose one to do. If I find I'm hitting the same skills, I'll choose the other one. I'll play fair. After I get good at these things, I can also add a difficulty dice of day or night. Now I have to set up and break down my tent at night. What? So fun prepping for my AT hike.
Things are scary, cemetery, ready with obituary. Mom.